Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is October the 30th, and I'm using my Super Scalper trading system. This system has two excellent scalping indicators. The first one is the Super Scalper, this moving average that changes from blue to yellow, and of course we have the super signal indicator, that's these ones with the arrows. They'll both give an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here. This one right here is for the scalper, and the other one is for with the super signal indicator. Now every morning 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And once between the charts and my daily trade plan suggesting either up or down, I will manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor running from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, so I no longer have to look at those charts. I just look at the comments. If it's blue, thinking about buying; if it's red, thinking about selling, and some of them are even preferred. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are struggling. If you have any questions about this daily trade plan, or if you want to buy, well, just Skype me. All my contact information is right below this video. Keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And of course, you're going to need a daily trade plan. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Please note that Gmail does not accept bulk emails. So if you're going to give me an email, just give me a different email address. Now, I really love this super signal indicator as it helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the market. Now you can scalp on the 5 minutes, the 1 minute, even the 15 minutes. Scalping is generally, as a rule, between 2 and 10 pips. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. The first one is the Dow Jones. I bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Now I know it kept going up, but when I was closing out the trades, I was looking at the total. And once I feel like I have more than 200 pips and ticks, I should say, I just close out the trade and I am done trading for the day. So took the money and divided by 5 as it pays $5 for each tick. So it's easy to see this should be 3 ticks. It's going to be very hard to show 3 ticks. Well, let's see. Oh, there it is. There's the 3 ticks, and that paid out $15. I'd rather have a small winner than a much bigger loser. Moving right along to the next trade, Euro New Zealand. Here we go. I took all the trades here around 7:30, and I closed them all out. The latest was around 9:22, 9:23. So roughly 2 hours thereabouts. And like I said, while most people are just starting their day on their day job, I am done with my job. Okay, let's see where I got in this trade. Drag and drop this up, took the trade here. So I bought it. That's why inside the cursor it's blue and this line is blue, and this is where I closed out the trade. Let's see now. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, locking in about 12 pips, and those pips paid out $75. Moving on to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now on the euro dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Right at this cursor. The trade did qualify for a great way to trade. Everything looked good. Really looked like it was going to go up. So looking at the money, well, this should be 10 pips. There it is right there. 10 pips, and that locked in $100. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. The rest of them are ticks. The futures and the indices, they move a lot more. They pay a lot more. And the last three here, I sold them. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. The trade lined up perfectly for a great way to trade. There's the arrows from the super signal, super scalper. Everything was saying to sell, so I sold it. Hesitated on this support, went back up, and then finally went all the way down here. If I was in a trade, be up over 100 down to here. But looking at the money, it pays $10 for each tick, so this should be 31. There it is right there, 31 ticks, and that paid out $310. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. On the Russell, I wanted to be selling it from the daily trade plan in real time. At this point, it was saying even the daily trade plan. So let's see where I got in at. Could have just as easily went straight down, but the market's very random, and this is something you're going to have to learn to deal with. But as long as a lot of things are telling you it's going to go down, many times it'll do a cycle, and then it'll continue to go in your favor. So looking at the money, and since it pays $10 for each tick, this should be 88. So I took the trade at that point, and I closed it out here, locking in those 88 ticks, and that paid out $880. Okay, moving on to this DAX 30 trade. Let's run a check on it on the DAX 30. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes as it's hard to get a reading on it. This one here moves a lot, pays a lot, as you can clearly see. Well, it pays $3.75, so I divided the money by 3.75, and calculator says it should be 570 ticks. Let's drag and drop this up. I got in right here at this cursor, and I closed out over here. So let's see, what did I say? 570. There it is right there. 570 ticks, and that paid out $2,137. So another great day of trading. Great way to start off the beginning of the week. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total came to 714 pips and ticks, and that paid out $3,518. So if your system's not producing, like my super scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions, or if you want to buy, well, simple. What you got to do is look right below this video in the description, and you will get my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. If you live too far, well, you can send me an email. And of course, I really do prefer Skype. I left a link down there. All you got to do is click on it. And even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer or a cell phone, you have Skype. Just click on the link, we'll have a connection, and at that point I will be able to answer your questions. You'll also see below the video 4 different packages. I recommend you get your hands on all 4 of them. I do have ongoing specials. There's special limited time offers. I do have 4 different packages. If you want to know what they are, well, just send me an email and will send you the email back with all the special offers, and some of them actually have a 50% discount. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.